Hello everyone, Larry Satchwell here. Today's project, restoring this picnic table. I built this table about 15 years ago and it's in pretty good shape structurally, but the top has once again rotted off. This is actually the second top I've put on it. The bottom part, the apron and the skirt here and the legs are all treated lumber, so they've lasted really well. This is cypress and I get about 3.5, 4 years out of it if we don't put it away in the winter. Well, the last couple of winters we've had horses in the barn and there just hasn't been a spot for it, so it's been sitting out. So today I'm going to recover it, and this time I'm going to use Western red cedar instead of cypress. See if it lasts any longer. So let's get started. Being an outdoor project, you really have to allow for wood movement. And so the way I've constructed this is with these little cleats here. And these cleats appear to be in pretty good shape. So I've moved this whole operation out here to the mulch. I went to Lowe's to get ebony stain, but I found this new one from Minwax called True Black 274. So the base of this is going to be True Black. But I do like the color. It is black, black, black. After I got the lumber, came back, took apart what I needed to take apart, pressure washed it, stained it. I got True Black all over me, all over my pants, probably on my face. All the cedar is sanded, but I'm going to stop here today, let this dry really thoroughly overnight. Tomorrow, I doubt if I get to put the sealer on the cedar. I have to start a new project tomorrow, Dana's mantle. I'm really nervous about it, but I think I can get it right, and you'll see every step of it. So, for now, this project's on hold. Well, I'm back, and as usual, life got in the way, so it's been a couple of weeks since I worked on this project. I did finish Dana's surrounded fireplace mantle, and it's been raining. And this is an outdoor project. It's a beautiful morning here. It's going to be in the 90s this afternoon. So I need to get a finish on this wood that I'm going to use for the tabletop and benches. Let's get started. Whew, it's a warm one. These have dried overnight. What you're looking at is the bottom of the top of the table. The last time I tried to stabilize the ends with the Craig system and false breadboards. This time I'm just going to screw these cleats directly to the bottom of the table, and then I'll stain them. I picked out the best boards for the top and the smoothest boards for the benches. So as my favorite woodworker of all time would say, it's time for some assembly. Well, there it is, the restored table. I'm pretty pleased with it. I think this black and walnut stain looks great. Hope you enjoyed it. But that's it. Until next time, thanks for watching.